A first in the nation right here in Western Mass, as a new healthcare center dedicated to the trans community opened today in Northampton.
Western Mass News reporter Matt Satilli joins us live in studio after touring the center and talking with those who worked hard to make it all happen. Matt?
Yeah, Chris, Jordan, today is a monumental day for the healthcare industry and trans rights in Western Mass. We attended the ribbon-cutting ceremony for Trans Health Northampton to get answers on how this center is transforming how the trans and gender-diverse community will access treatment and care beyond just the doctor's office.
There were many naysayers out there, and we said, no, we're gonna shoot for the moon here, and we did.
Trans Health Northampton opened its doors on Tuesday, making it the first independent, comprehensive trans healthcare center in the country. Dallas Ducar, the CEO of Trans Health Northampton, says this space will provide a place for the trans community to call home.
For years, for generations, the trans community, trans and gender diverse community, have been locked out of places of power, of places in politics, out of healthcare, out of life as we know it. So this is really a chance to build a brick and mortar space and say we are here and we are proud to be who we are.
The center will offer primary care for adults and children, as well as mental health services. But that's not all.
The first time that my grandmother bought me a dress, now that was gender affirming care, right? The first time that I actually had a friend teach me how to do my makeup, right? That was gender affirming care.
She says classes for makeup and weightlifting will also be offered. Western Mass News spoke to Perry Cohen with Trans Health's board of directors. He says specialized healthcare facilities often exist in big cities, which leaves people from rural areas with a lack of access. But now, that may change.
What this means is that people can have care in their backyard, and it's just significantly more accessible. And I think there's a reason we live in Western Mass and not in Boston, and we want to stay here.
And because of the pandemic, there is room for extreme growth.
So with COVID, we've actually seen restrictions around telehealth loosen. And so we're not only able right now to see folks in Massachusetts, but also see folks across the New England area, which is really exciting.
The grand opening marks a milestone for those who fought so hard to make it happen.
It's hard to understate the significance of this for me. I mean, it's been a dream I've had that folks in our community could get gender affirming care right here in our backyards. And the fact that it's finally happening is just monumental.
For more information on the center, visit our website, westernmassnews.com, or check out our app. Reporting live in studio, I'm Matt Satilli, Western Mass News.